it going, guys? So the video you just saw was more of a, a test to see how I can do with video processing and whatnot. But what this actually is this is my very first computer that I ever built. And I haven't cleaned it for years, so I wanted to tear it down and clean it. But more importantly, because I recently upgraded to a new computer that I have built and I am using right now to process videos and whatnot, I have decided to give this to my brother for Christmas. So I wanted to touch it up from the years of abuse that I've had. I believe I built that computer back in, it had to have been 7 years ago. Freshman year of college. Yeah, freshman year of college. So 7 years ago. So I built that back then. It's got a P55 motherboard, EVGA. It has a i5 750 edition, so overclockable, which I have done for my brother, and some other basic stuff. But I upgraded it a little bit, gave it 32 gigabytes of RAM. It does suffice for what he'll be using it for, some basic video games. But basically what I did after I tore it down, I spray painted the interior metallic silver paint and exterior with a high gloss black paint and then more gloss on top of that. Now I'm not done yet. I'm working on trying to design a pattern that I want to put on there, and I'll give you guys a video of the final build and putting it back together. I just didn't see the point. You saw me take it apart. I'll show you the final thing and maybe the process of what I'm going to do for the actual design of it. Right now it's flat black, all painted nice and pretty with some glossy to it. But next step is finding some kind of stencil, and I'm going to high gloss that stencil over and over again and try to outline it and give it a shadow. Now I'm not artistic in that kind of sense and whatsoever, but we're going to give it a shot. So hope you like this video. It's a little bit different than the two quadcopters, but I do have another quadcopter coming for you again. I did get the assignment in the other day and did some shoots with it. So hope you guys like it. If you did like it, subscribe. If not, cool, I get it. Dislike it or whatnot. Alright guys, take it easy.